Welcome to Dreamland Kids. Today we learn body parts. Face. This is face. Hair. This is hair. Eyelashes. This is eyelashes. Eyes. This is eyes. Nose. This is nose. Ear. This is ear. Teeth. This is teeth. Lip. This is lip. Tongue. This is tongue. Mouth. This is mouth. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Thumb. This is thumb. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Nails. This is nails. Fingers. This is fingers. Foot. This is foot. Legs. This is legs. Knee. This is knee. Subscribe for more